friends, quick question. Do you love fufu but you worry about the calories and how heavy it can feel when you've finished eating it? Well, you are not alone. Fufu, lolo, eba is a staple food in many West African countries and homes. And some of us can't go a day without our favorite swallow and soup. But what if I told you there's a healthier, lighter, and still satisfying way to enjoy your delicious soup? Today I'm sharing a simple, delicious alternative. Oat fufu made from rolled oats. Now get this. Traditional fufu or eba can pack over 350 calories per cup, while this oat version comes in at just about 150 to 180 calories, depending on how you prepare it, of course. That's a very big difference when you're trying to eat clean, manage your energy, or stabilize your blood sugar levels. Here's what I love the most. Rolled oats are available almost everywhere in the world. Don't you think so? Whether you live in Lagos, Enugu, Onitsha, London, Atlanta, or Accra, Ghana, chances are you'll find oats on your store shelf. And preparation? Super easy. Are you ready? Let's go cooking. set this up with my oat fufu, I don't just feel full, I feel nourished. Oats helps keep your blood sugar levels steady. They are high in fiber and provide long-lasting energy. Add in the nutrients from the okra and veggies, and you've got a meal that supports your health and your taste buds. So, let me know in the comments, would you try oat fufu, or have you already done it? I would love to hear from you how you make your oat fufu. And before you go, don't forget to grab your ultimate checklist for balanced energy and blood sugar levels. It's packed with tips you can start using right away. Click the link in the description, pick up your guide, and let's keep glowing from the inside out. Hey, my name is Ngo, and I am passionate about helping you look the very best, no matter your age. Please give a thumbs up to this video if you got value. Also subscribe for more healthy tips. And most importantly, share with all the Niger families. Thank you so much for watching.